Hi everyone. Today we're excited to show you a beautiful property in Dombivli developed by a top real estate name. Let's explore its luxury and comfort. Let's explore 2 BHK sample flat. The living room is bright and airy with a balcony that lets in lots of light. Let's head to the kitchen. It's got this smart two-sided layout. And see this area? Great for your washing machine or maybe some extra storage. Bedroom 1 is a bright and airy space thanks to its windows that flood the room with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Here's the common bathroom. Nice fittings, very modern. Discover the spacious master bedroom, designed for relaxation and luxury. Speaking of the balcony, come out here. Roomy, isn't it? Ready to experience this lifestyle? To book a site visit, contact us on the number displayed on the screen.